All right, we're getting you up to speed with the details about the meeting that is underway. The AAP in a bit of a huddle there amid charges of Operation Lotus in Delhi. Chief Minister Atishi, former Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia are present at the meeting. This is at Delhi. National convener of the Aam Aadmi Party's residence. All 70 AAP candidates are present in Arvind Kejriwal's house. Crucial huddle rather ahead of the Delhi Dangal verdict. A reaction coming in from Sanjay Singh. Let's take a listen.
अभी मीटिंग तो होने दीजिए, मीटिंग होने दीजिए। मीटिंग एजेंडा है कि कल जीतना है प्रचंड बहुमत से। अभी मीटिंग तो होने दीजिए, मीटिंग होने दीजिए। मीटिंग एजेंडा है कि कल जीतना है प्रचंड बहुमत से।
And this comes at a time when there are allegations from the Aam Aadmi Party side that the BJP is trying to poach their leaders and get them to join the party ahead of the verdict tomorrow. I'm going to go straight across to Amit for more details on that. Amit, give us a sense of what's brewing as far as the AAP is concerned. They've made these allegations. Big concern is it that there would be Operation Lotus and that this is a situation that they'll have to deal with after tomorrow.
Right, Sneha, and that is why this crucial meeting is going on at 5 Firozshah Road. And, MLAs MLAs and the candidates who are also the candidate in this particular election are reaching at 5 Firozshah Road, where Arvind Kejriwal is chairing this meeting. So, former Delhi Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia, Delhi Chief Minister Atishi, Imran Hussain, all these leaders have already reached. What is to be seen is that 4 key leaders who had made these claims on social media yesterday, including Mukesh Hilawat, the Delhi Minister, Vinay Mishra, Dwarka MLA, and Prem Chauhan, Devli candidate of Aam Aadmi Party. These 3 are yet to reach the meeting. What is the reason for the delay is to be understood, but they were the ones who were the first to make this claim on social media that they have gotten an offer from the Bharatiya Janata Party. Operation Lotus is operational in the national capital and that they will stick around with Aam Aadmi Party. So we are waiting for these leaders to reach the meeting spot at 5 Firozshah Road, where Arvind Kejriwal is holding this crucial meeting right ahead of the polling day. But besides the Operation Lotus claims and allegations of the Aam Aadmi Party, the AAP will be also looking into the details of 17C forms of each constituency and seek report from these candidates about their experience of the electioneering process, voting process, and as to what is their analysis for their own assembly segment. And that would be also cross-checked with the internal surveys of the party. And moreover, the strategy for tomorrow is even more important because remember, these days India bloc parties stay very alert when it comes to the counting day. We had seen as to how, in Jharkhand, Hemant Soren and Kalpana Soren used to train their workers for the polling day about as to how they have to take the 17C form and how the candidates were also alerted by JMM and Congress to be really alert on the counting day. So that messaging can be also done in this particular meeting. Once the meeting is over, we will hopefully have the senior leaders of the Aam Aadmi Party, including Sanjay Singh, making this briefing about the issues that have been discussed in the meeting that's going on at 5 Firozshah Road. Back to you, Sneha.
All right, the meeting is underway. I'm just going to come back to you in a moment from now. Amit is getting us those details from Arvind Kejriwal's residence. We have more news coming in. Let's take a look. BJP is hit out at Arvind Kejriwal's charges over Operation Lotus, saying that Kejriwal lies because AAP doesn't work hard. BJP says AAP did not work, now they are lying to survive is what is being said.
देखिए कल शाम तक चुनाव खत्म होने तक कोई मारपीट की घटना, कोई धमकी की घटना कहीं नहीं। बहुत प्यार से दिल्ली में वोटिंग के बाद जब अरविंद केजरीवाल जी को लगा कि मैं हार रहा हूँ तो इस तरह की बात कर 10 साल में काम कर लेते तो शायद कल हमारी में नहीं आती, लेकिन झूठ के पाँव लंबे नहीं होते, सिर्फ झूठ पर सरकार चल रही थी। जनता ने उसका जवाब दिया है और मुझे लगता है कि केजरीवाल जी ने इस बात को समझा।
Amit is back with us for the very latest on that. AAP, of course, is making these allegations, Amit, but the BJP is quick to dismiss them, saying that they haven't done well. The exit poll results don't show a very rosy picture for the Aam Aadmi Party, and hence these allegations are being made at this point in time.
Right, Sneha, and this was the kind of response that was awaited. Durgesh Pathak is there from the Aam Aadmi Party. He's the MCD in charge of Aam Aadmi Party and PAC member. So we will try and get a word from him as well as he steps out, and heads for the meeting. But very important leader also reaching the meeting spot, and at 5 Firozshah Road, he'll be joining this particular meeting. His candidate from Rajinder Nagar, and Durgesh Pathak is one of the very important leaders as far as the strategy is concerned. So that way, we'll also try and get a reaction from him on the allegations that are being labelled by the Bharatiya Janata Party, dismissing this Operation Lotus claim of the Aam Aadmi Party. But very clear as to how the AAP is ensuring that all of its candidates come into huddle and a strategy be drawn ahead of the polling day. And that's what is being done right now. And one after other, you have the leaders heading for the meeting. Durgesh Pathak will just try and get a word from him as well. Yeah. दुर्गेश जी, चुनावों को लेके बीजेपी कह रही है कि 15 लाख का जो 15 करोड़ का आपने दावा किया है वो इसलिए क्योंकि आप लोगों ने काम नहीं किया, मेहनत नहीं की।
तो उनको फोन करने की क्या जरूरत है हमारे लोगों को? अगर उनकी सरकार बन रही है तो हमारे लोगों को फोन करने की क्या जरूरत है? विनय मिश्रा जी को फोन करने की जरूरत है, मुकेश अहलावत जी को फोन करने की, अर्चना पारचा जी को फोन करने की, इस तरह के बहुत सारे लोगों को फोन करने की क्या जरूरत है?
16 कल आप लोगों ने आंकड़ा बताया था, क्या उसमें कोई इजाफा हुआ है?
अब एक बार चेक करते हैं, फिलहाल अभी तो मैंने पूछा नहीं सबसे, ये मीटिंग में
एविडेंस रखेंगे आप लोग?
सारी चीजें ठीक
है। सो राइट देयर, दुर्गेश पाठक टेलिंग इंडिया टुडे that why is the BJP making such claims if they are so confident about approaching the Aam Aadmi Party candidates, if they are so confident about the elections and the results, and he's again saying that will put forward the proof first, and that has been the strategy of Aam Aadmi Party, saying that when the situation comes, they will be putting forward the proof about their claims. Last evening we had seen Delhi Minister Mukesh Ahlawat sharing a screenshot on Twitter handle saying that he had received a call from that particular number. We have also spoken to a couple of candidates who said that there was a soft approach from somebody linked with the BJP in order to have a check on them as well. So possibly is that a reason that Aam Aadmi Party is playing very cautious right now and making such claims? That is to be seen. But yes, a definitive word will come out, Sneha, once this meeting is over and you have the analysis of the 17C forms, seat by seat analysis report submitted to the party, as well as when Arvind Kejriwal asked each of these candidates as to whether they have also received any sort of call or offer from the BJP as being claimed by the Aam Aadmi Party leadership since yesterday. After that, a complete picture will be out as far as the allegations and the preparedness of Aam Aadmi Party is concerned. Back to you.
All right, Amit, I'm going to leave it at that for the moment. We'll, of course, come back to you for more as you track that big story, the Aam Aadmi Party in a huddle at Arvind Kejriwal's residence amid charges that there will be Operation Lotus in Delhi.